Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL 406. First of all, go into Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, click on the same options on both smartphones. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, I acknowledge, confirm, continue, allow. Finally, in this pop-up, you can select Not Now if you want to, and then close it by hitting OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top and select History at the bottom of both devices to get rid of personalizations. Pop-up like this one. Just tap on wherever you want to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience, and click on Close this window. Then tap on Receive right next to History at the bottom of TCL and Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola. Also on an Android, which is Motorola, use all of those categories available at the top to select multiple files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, you need to click on Allow one more time. When you finish, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom, and then got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now decide which connection way you wish to use. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on TCL. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, tap on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!